Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to transplant a hibiscus plant from a nursery bag, kind of polythene bag, to a larger pot. This probably is a pink colored hibiscus. So the first step is to take the plant out safely from the nursery bag. I'll take it out and show it to you. Take out the plant with root ball at all. The next step is to use a proper pot with adequate holes, as you can see in this. Then put broken pieces of pot, earthen pot, or brick pieces over the holes so that the soil will not flow out of the holes. I'll put a little more of these here so that it does the additional work of absorbing some water so that it can be released to the plants as and when required. And I have got some sand here, river sand. You can even use the construction sand, not much, but just 1 inch of the pot. And this is a pre-mixed potting mix that consists of some used soil which is sterilized, as you can see there, and this is a potting mix which I have already made earlier, and with that soil plus some sand and some compost, the black one, and a potting mix without soil, that is the one with white spots, that is of perlite, and this is neem khali or neem cake. This I'll be using at the end, not with soil. You can replant it, and at the end you can add that manure plus sand mix at the end. Now we'll put the soil here to almost half of it so that the next addition of soil will cover the roots here. See, this is it, and the rest of the soil can be placed here. I'm just spreading it with my bare hands, but it's advised you may use some gloves or some protection in case you are afraid of microorganisms from the soil. Now the next step is to mix all these with the sand properly and spread it at the top. In fact, you don't need to put any manure or fertilizer now, because the potting mix I use already has some manure in it. You can even add after 10 to 15 days. See, like this, and spread it well. Like this. And the last step is to add some water. And here it is. This helps to the soil to settle down, and also to see if the soil is porous enough. So this is it. You can see the water seeping out. So my dear friends, please subscribe to my channel if you have not. Please share it, comment, and please give me a like. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, bye.